In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Gumroad to set up your payment details. Gumroad is a fantastic platform for creators to sell products directly to their audience, so getting your payment information set up is an essential step. Let's dive in and make this process as easy as possible for you. First things first, let's head over to the Gumroad website. If you haven't already, you'll want to bookmark this page as you'll likely be returning here often. Once you're on the main page, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, you'll see the login option at the top right corner. Simply enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. With that squared away, the next step is to navigate to the Settings section. You'll find this option in the sidebar on the left. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Right here, you're going to see a number of different tabs for everything from profile management to notification preferences. But for our purposes today, we're going to focus on the Payments section, which is likely one of the most important areas if you're looking to get paid through your sales on Gumroad. Click on the Payments tab to access your payment settings. Here, you will see various options related to managing how you receive payments from Gumroad. The critical section to look for is Payment Method. This is where you'll be entering your bank details to ensure that funds from your sales get transferred seamlessly to your bank account. Scroll down the page until you reach the section labeled Payment Method. It's important to input your bank details accurately to avoid any mishaps or delays in receiving payments. Usually, you'll be asked to provide your bank's name, your account number, and possibly other information depending on the requirements of your country or banking institution. Make sure to double-check all information entered, as an error here could result in significant delays. Once you've filled out all the required fields, go ahead and save your changes. Gumroad usually provides a prompt to confirm that your updates have been successfully saved. If you happen to run into any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to Gumroad's support team for assistance. They can help troubleshoot any problems you might encounter. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your payment method on Gumroad. This means that you're now ready to start receiving payments directly from customers. Whether you're selling digital products, physical items, or subscriptions, having your payment information correctly configured is a fundamental step in your journey as a creator on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and happy selling.